I'm going to tell you a secret, and don't tell anybody, okay? Even though this is going on the internet.
Officer Busick, who's investigated this and looked for you for the past 2 years, and Prosecutor Hunt have charged you with 3 counts of criminal conduct. Count 1 is murder as a felony.
Priscilla Thompson in Dallas, thank you. And let's turn right to meteorologist Bill Cairns. Bill, so much focus on the weather the next couple of days.
It's all about the clouds, Jose. Millions want to get into the totality, the complete darkness on...
by air and on the roads. Towns along the eclipse path are bracing for millions of tourists from around the world.
I'm really excited.
We're excited!
Excited, yeah, it's a really rare opportunity.
All for a chance to catch Monday's rare glimpse of the sun, moon, and earth aligning, plunging parts of the U.S. along the path of totality into total darkness for minutes.
It's like Christmas time.
You have the right to remain silent. You cannot be required to give any testimony or make any statements against yourself to anyone. You do have the right to be heard in your own defense at any hearing or trial concerning the charges against you. Anything you say, however, may be used against you. Do you have any questions concerning your rights?
No, I do not.
Okay. Then I will set this matter for a pretrial conference on the 25th day of April at 9 a.m.
A show of hands revealed almost every passenger on board this plane to Arkansas came for the eclipse. And how about this for a path of totality?
To abide by the rules of evidence, to abide by the rules of procedure.
I do understand. I have a master's in history.
That doesn't give you a law degree, though.
But I do understand how to read procedures.
All right. All right. Just because you represent yourself doesn't ensure yourself of a good lawyer, you know.
And how about this for a path of totality? This map showing Airbnb bookings almost totally sold out from Texas to New England.
Miss Anderson, you just made an objection.
Yes.
State the basis of your objection.
The basis of my objection is the fact that I am not a fugitive. I have been under NSA surveillance for the past 8 months. And how can that qualify me as a fugitive on the run when I've also had a detail from Space Force that was following my every move? When I contacted...
All right. Let me tell you, that is not a valid legal objection. If you want to represent yourself, you're going to have to learn the rules of evidence and the rules of procedure, because if you conduct yourself like this and make these types of objections, you have no chance in the world, lady.
That's going to mean a substantial increase in traffic volume.
Officials in Texas are pausing road construction and urging residents to avoid non-essential travel. Some counties in the state even declaring a state of emergency.
So I'm going to set your bond at no bond at this particular point in time, but if Space Force comes forward and tells me that they're willing to monitor you, we'll take up the issue of bond at a later time. Anything else?
Some counties in the state even declaring a state of emergency.
We don't know what to expect.
We've had Texas FEMA come and talk to us about filling up with gas, getting your bread, your milk,
Your eggs.
Advice they're giving in case people get stuck in traffic like this from the last eclipse in 2017, when congestion in some areas lasted more than 10 hours.
Some people call me the space cowboy. Yeah.
Well, we know we shouldn't look directly at the eclipse without those cool glasses, but what about taking a picture of it?
Yeah, Jose, much like your eyes, pointing your camera lens directly at the sun on your phone can be dangerous.
For a once-in-a-generation sight that likely won't happen again in the U.S. for another 20 years.
Yeah. Some call me the gangster of love.
And General Leary, thank you. I feel safer knowing that we have satellites that can rain God's holy hellfire upon our enemies on this majestic, flat Earth of ours.
Yes, Congressman, this Earth is certainly majestic.
And flat. And flat. And flat.
Thanks a lot for searching that out. I appreciate that. Fisherman in the box. Fisherman in a box.
Did you know that the Earth is flat? Wait, what? Why would you say that?